Hey guys, this is Naeem and I'm going to walk you through my CS88 final project. So here I have streaming data, weather data, and I'll send this data to Kafka, and from here I have basically two use cases. One is the real time, the other one is batch, so it's like a lambda architecture. So for the real time use case, I'll have a Spark streaming job, ingest data from Kafka to HBase, and I'll build Impala or a Hive table on HBase and query it in real time through Zoom data. And for the batch or batch analysis, I'll have Flume consumed from Kafka, put it into Hive, and then from Impala, I'll query the batch data through Hue. Alright then, let's get going to the real-time use case. So I have a 3-node Hadoop cluster. So I'll start the console consumer Kafka. So I have a topic. This is from my previous run. So let's wait for it to stop, and hit stop here. So I have this weather publisher app, a Java program that will publish to the Kafka topic. So I'll start that. Now it's sending to the Kafka consumer. So now we'll fire up the HBase shell, which is already here, and we'll do a count on the live weather table. So 16832. So let's see if it is changing. It's still 16832. The Spark job is not running yet, so we'll fire up the Spark job. Then we'll send this to the HBase. So the job is running. It's still initializing. It's as you can see, it's sending some records. So let's do a count again on HBase, and yeah, we got a few more records. And a few more. So let's see on Impala how this reflects. I will open up a new window, fire up the Impala shell, and then I'll execute the account query on the same table. Meanwhile, you can see that if you can see it has the latest counts. The data is still being sent to the Kafka. Yeah. So and for the dashboard, we'll have a dashboard in Zoom data. So this is the temperature for Washington. We'll refresh the dashboard. Yeah, as you can see, the American River Nile has a temperature of 20. So what we'll do is we'll try to update this and see how it reflects on the dashboard. So I'll update this value in HBase. I set it to 60.6, and then I'll refresh this dashboard, and I hope to get a value of 60.6 next to Nile. So this is just a live table, but we can also have charts built on top of this data through Zoom data, and there are many other features. So alright then, we see that the value has changed, and now we'll move on to the batch use case, and we'll see what Flume is doing. So here, let's check on one of these nodes. So yeah, so this is the this is the directory where Flume is ingesting. So you can see it's 6. So yeah, it should have the latest data. So now what we need to do is query this data through Hue. I have Hue open here. I'll do a count on this. It has 35,000 rows, but I still have to add a few partitions because the data has changed, and I have to add partitions every hour or by every partition. So execute this command in Hive. We can automate this in a cron job or in an Uzi workflow. And let's do refresh this data in Impala. We need to do an invalidate metadata, and then run a query again. So this will count. So previously, if you remember, we had like 35,000. Now we have 48,000 rows. So this can be a job that updates every hour, since we have partitioning based on the granularity of an hour. So on this table, we can have queries like here. I'm going to check the location. I'm getting the temperature of the sun. Let's hope there's sun. So I'm getting the temperature, everything from a weather table where location is in Washington, and it's December 11th. So all the entries for 11th, as you can see, we have all the temperatures here. We can have some more intuitive queries, like basically find what was the maximum temperature for each location for that day. So here for 11th December, we'll find what was the maximum temperature for each location based throughout the day. And we can do pretty much many more historical analysis. So South Cascade had a maximum temperature of 35 during that day. Similarly, we can do minimum, and there are plenty more things to do. So yeah, so that was an overview of my final project. Please do look over the documentation as well, and hope you like it. Thank you.